Welcome to Codes of Creation number 23. If you guys have missed the first 21 videos, you can scroll down to my Facebook or you can go to my YouTube, or Brighteon.com has some of the Codes of Creation videos. Now, number 23, as you guys may or may not have guessed, I'm pretty serious about the creation process. I take my creations pretty seriously and I'm pretty focused. But today's code of creation is sometimes you just gotta play. You just gotta leave it all and have fun. Because, you know, this spiritual work that we're doing, this inner work that we're doing, the equinox, the full moon, all the alignments, you know, it can be a bit much. So sometimes you just gotta step back, take a break, and play. So what is it that you guys love to do when you take a break, when you're not, you know, in your process, when you're not working on your creations? What is it that you like to do for fun? Put that in the comments below, because you might give other people some ideas that they can use for themselves. One of the things, of course, since I live in Sedona, I love to go out into nature, hiking the red rocks, take a dip in the creek when it gets warm enough, you know, just be with the land and just be with nature. What do you guys like to do? How do you play? How do you have fun? How can you bring out your inner child and just relax and just for a few moments forget about what you're creating, forget about doing your inner work, and just relax? Now, of course, I am talking to myself for this one as much as you guys, because I am the biggest, I'm the person that needs to hear this the most, probably, because I work hard. But there comes a time when we just need to take a deep breath, relax, play, have fun. So put in the comments below, what do you like to do to play? What do you like to do to have fun? And I would suggest, if you're in a place that's warm enough, get your feet on the ground, your bare feet on the ground, get connected to Gaia, get some of that juice, some of that beautiful, supportive, nourishing energy that Gaia has for us. And just relax, giggle, watch a silly video, play, have fun, splash in the creek, whatever it is for you. All right, I'm going to try to come back next week. I've been super busy, so I actually skipped last week. So thank you for your patience. I will be back hopefully next week with Codes of Creation number 24. And much love to all of you. And if you need support in the meantime, go to creationtemple.com and subscribe to one of our paid levels so that you can get all the support you need for your spiritual journey. Much love. Mwah.